Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Razer Synapse. This is where color control lives. Connect your keyboard via USB, then sign in so settings sync to the device. This prevents profile loss. Once Synapse recognizes the keyboard, click the device tile to open lighting. Make sure no other RGB software is running, because conflicts can override Razer settings. Now, pick a base profile or create a new one. This gives you a clean canvas. From here, you'll add effects and map layers. You'll now build lighting with layers. Think of each layer as a separate paint sheet. Add a layer, select its effect, then choose keys or zones. This isolates changes. For complex looks, stack a static layer under a wave or reactive layer so one provides background while the other adds motion. Adjust speed, direction, and brightness. Lower brightness if you want battery savings. Use the color picker for precise hues or input hex codes. Once done, save the layer order to lock behavior. You finish by saving and assigning the profile. Choose device-specific or global. If you want lighting to change with apps or games, enable app linking. This triggers profiles automatically. Once saved, sync to your Razer account or export a profile file for backup. If something goes wrong, check firmware and update, then reinstall Synapse and test another USB port. This fixes many detection issues. If colors still won't change, restart Windows and try a different cable or PC to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.